Hello, good evening. So I have a list of instruments that traded on both NSE and BSE, cash market and derivative markets. So I need to find Nifty or Bank Nifty weekly expiry date. So in this video, we can see how do we uh, find that weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty for call option and put option. So open your spider and import necessary libraries. Now I am going to read that CSV file. Okay, now that instrument.csv is loaded, so it have both NSE and BSE data. Here you can see that BSE data and the cash market type. So now I need to filter that exchange is equal to N and the instrument type should be call and put. Let's see how do we take that also. Okay, you can see that nearly 1,94,000 of data rows and columns data is available. So now I am going to remove NSE only. So I call that instrument DF. Sorry. That is this exchange equal to, instead of B I am putting N. I am putting capital N. That means I am filtering only N only. Okay, and I open the uncondition. That is this instrument DF. CP type, that is CP type is either call or this CP type either call or put. So this should be another bracket, because these two either this thing or that thing. So we are filtering, reducing this 1,94,000 rows into, we need only that we are completely remove that BSC, we are take only NSC, and after that we take only call and puts. So I run this line, you see that the list of rows and columns are reduced. Now you can open and see this CP type, that is changed into call and put. This call and put including that stocks Adani, you can see that Alkem, Ashok Leyland. We need weekly contract, that is weekly expiry for the Bank Nifty and Nifty. So how do we filter another line? So we are same filtering another line. There is another one, you can use ISIN also, but Bank Nifty, or else you can use root also. So whatever it is comfortable, you can use it. So in this example I take root. So I again go for the same instrument and just copy paste this thing. I take root, that is equal to Nifty or this bracket ends here, Bank filter only Nifty and Bank Nifty. You see that list of rows reduced to 4370, and you can see only Nifty and Bank Nifty, one variable. I store it in the expiry date, call it in the expiry date, and I call the same instrument df. Inside the instrument df, and I use the same thing, either Nifty or Bank Nifty, or we have the weekly expiry. So I take it as the same thing. So I called it, and there is one function called unique. Same like in the primary key in the SQL, it will remove the duplicates and also not allow the null value. You can also use the whole thing, not an issue. So or else you can use instrument df, and not a method. So I run this thing. Yeah. So you see we are filtering that expiry date. So we have the list of expiry date here. Now I am going to, you can see this that dates are unordered. So I have to order this thing. So I going to short this thing. And you can see, now we can see that perfect order. I call create another variable called recent expiry, and here I call the first value of this. So you will get here. So you can also use it in the function. So inside this function I use it, and I call whenever I need it. I can call this function. So if I call this function, I will get the recent expiry date. Thanks for watching.